Well, hi there, everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. This is the day we have all been looking forward to, not just because it's Friday, because we have the potential for record-setting temperatures out there. Let's take a look to start off at our ALMANAC for the Tri-Cities and for Lincoln. Now, Lincoln's not going to be quite as warm as the Tri-Cities. We're going with mid-60s, and that should be a little bit shy of the record high of 75 degrees. But the Tri-Cities, all three of them, certainly have a chance to tie or break a record later on today. You see temperatures forecasted to be in the low to mid-70s, about 70 for GI is what I have, 72 for Hastings, and 74 for Kearney. And the records today are 72 in Grand Island and Kearney, 73 in Hastings, going back to the mid and late 90s. So, yeah, nice, mild, if not even straight up warm day today. Some of the other records of note that have a potential of being broken today. Broken Bow, your record is 74 degrees. North Platte 76 and Imperial 78. McCook's record is 79. All of those records are in jeopardy today, and I'll show you those forecasted temps here in a little bit. So chilly to cool start to our morning. There are more clouds than what you're seeing on the FUTURECAST here. A lot of high-level clouds have been streaming in from the west. That's one thing that may hold us down just a bit. Now, it's by no means going to be a chilly day out there, but it may hold us a little bit cooler than I am expecting otherwise. Otherwise, again, mild to warm conditions. The coolest conditions up north with snowpack still on the ground. Tonight, we will see some cooler air start to work in from the north as clouds thicken up, and notice rain chances start to move into the northwestern part of the state. Best chance of rain will be tomorrow in the northern part of the state. A little bit of light rainfall possible, maybe a little bit sneaking a little bit farther south and southwest, but this all kind of falls apart as we get towards Saturday night, so very minimal chances for some light rain or sprinkles, and maybe even some flurries later in the night. I'm not expecting much precipitation out of this Saturday night. Tomorrow will be a cooler day, but still above average. Most of us will still make it into the 50s, perhaps even closer to 60 along the Nebraska-Kansas border, and up north a little cooler yet with temperatures in the 40s with that snowpack still on the ground up there. Okay, temperatures for today. Again, I'm going with mid-50s in Ainsworth and O'Neill. I think the snow still does have an impact on temperatures, but still, that's well above normal. You're going to melt off a lot of snow today. 60s elsewhere, even near 70 in Broken Bow. That would be about 4 degrees shy of the record in Broken Bow. Out west, we got a chance to break some records. We could tie that record of 76 in North Platte. That record is 78 in Imperial. I'm going to go with 79 degrees. 80 is what I'm going with in McCook, and your record is 79 degrees. So mid-upper 70s to near 80. And again, if clouds are a little thicker than expected, that may hold temperatures back just a little bit. Farther south, again, we're going to be looking at those near-record temperatures in the Tri-Cities, about 69 in Aurora, mid-70s in northern portions of Kansas. And to the east, a little bit cooler, but nothing to complain about. We'll see highs in the 60s to lower 70s later on today. Certainly still a very nice day for this time of the year. And in fact, the next 7 days still looking good, just not quite as nice as what we'll see out there for today. Again, the thicker cloud cover tomorrow. A little bit of a steady breeze out of the north at around 10 to 15 miles per hour on your Saturday will make it feel a little bit cooler as well. Again, maybe a couple of sprinkles or flurries overnight Saturday night. Sunday, a return to some sunshine. A pretty strong north and northwest wind Saturday night and Sunday will make those temperatures feel a little colder, a high around 47 on Sunday. And then that Monday time frame, Monday, maybe a couple of extra clouds. There is a chance of precipitation mainly outside of the viewing area farther south across southern Kansas, Oklahoma, into northern Texas, but we could see a few of those clouds stream a little farther northward. Otherwise, plenty of sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and pretty much guaranteed dry with temperatures mostly in the lower 50s. But as we get towards Thursday, temperatures could rise a little bit. We could be pushing near 60 in some locations on Thursday. So a great stretch of weather ahead, of course, today being the best of all of the next 7 days, but you can't really even complain about those 50s later on in that forecast, and mostly going to be dry. Many of you will not see any precipitation in the coming days ahead of us here. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you all have a great weekend.